We have one last topic for today, and that is the remainder theorem. And so what the remainder theorem says is that the remainder of a function is the number of the function evaluated at a given value of x. So let's see what that means. We evaluated functions last time in class whenever we were plugging in x values to find the y values in order to create an xy chart and plot points for our polynomials. So this time we're going to learn a new technique that in some cases could be faster and less room for error as long as you become comfortable with synthetic division. So let's see what this gives us. We're going to evaluate at -4. So that means that whenever we set up our synthetic division problem, our k value is -4. We were given that. And then confirm that we have all terms, 3, 2, 1, and then a constant. So we're good there. And we're ready to write our coefficients. 5, -1, 13, and 29. Remember to leave plenty of space between each coefficient so that you know where one ends and the other begins. Don't shove everything together to where you can't tell where each number is. Now what I'd like for you to do is to go ahead and finish this problem out the same way that we've done the others. Don't write your answer yet because our answer is going to look a little special. Let's see how you did. Some of these numbers got pretty big, so you may have needed to reach for a calculator. We bring down the 5, and we take 5 and multiply by -4, report the -20 up and to the right. -1 plus -20 is -21, and now we multiply again. -21 times -4 is a positive 84. Adding down, we get 97, and we're going to take 97 and multiply by -4. That will give us a product of -388. We'll add 29 to it to get -359. Now here's the special part I was talking about. Whenever we are evaluating a function, we, instead of talking about the function as f of x, we would say f of whatever number we're plugging in for x. So in this case, f of -4, or you could say f evaluated at -4, and the answer is our remainder. So we're not caring about any of this quotient here for this. We are specifically focusing on the remainder, and the remainder is our answer. And this is the form that you should always report it in the form of f of -4, or whatever your evaluation number happens to be, and then your answer. Let's prove to ourselves that this works. So the way that we did it in class last time when we were plugging in x values to find y values and plot was that we just plugged in for x everywhere that we saw it in the function. So we could say that f of -4 is equal to 5 times x to the third, but x is -4, so -4 to the third, minus -4 squared plus 13 times -4 plus 29. And you're going to probably want your calculator for this, but you're going to put all of this in, including making sure that parentheses are in all of the right places. But once you put that into your calculator, what you should come up with is that same answer, 359. So these are the same.